Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today I'll be learning how to turn off Temu notifications, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off notifications on your Temu app, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app on this interface, guys, at the bottom of the screen, you can see a bunch of items available for us, where you can see the U button at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle of the screen, and you land over here where you can find the settings option at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on settings button at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here where you can find the notifications options over here just below the currency. Tap on notifications, and when you land over here you can see all of the notification types offered by the Temu app. And in order to turn off these notifications, either it be promotions, order updates, chat messages, customers activity, avatar and username sharing, tap on the edit button at the bottom right corner of a particular notification which you want to turn off. And when this interface appears, you can tap on the toggle icon at the right side of these options. By doing that, guys, your notifications from Temu app will be turned off. You can do it on all of these options particularly, or if you want to turn off every notifications from Temu at once, go back, tap on the permissions option over here just below the account security, and over here you can see where it says the notifications, and there is the go to settings option available for us over here in the orange. Tap on the go to settings button on the orange, and over here tap on the manage notification button over here just above permissions. And again at the top of the screen you can see the toggle icon for allow notifications. If you tap on it, it will be turned off. By this way, guys, all of the notifications from Temu will be turned off. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off notifications on Temu app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.